So I had a lovely time at Chitkara. I met all the students, went through the campus. It's a beautiful campus and they've got some lovely kitchens and great equipment, so the students are really lucky. The interaction was very fun and at the same time very informative. It's good to know how they think, and they are going to be the next generation chefs, so I'm quite excited and I was quite happy to just have a conversation with them. The faculty has been amazing. They've been the most supportive through the entire demo, and I just had an amazing time here.